Hi, today we are at CES and we are at Lenovo, and we have a smart preview of Lenovo's rollable laptop. And if you look at, this is a 13.3-inch laptop, and which has a 180-degree wrap around outfold display portrayed with Corning Gorilla Glass. So the concept is, when you swipe on the top, it just expands to 16.1-inch display. So it's great for all your content creators, as well as those who are more into writing creative content and so forth. Pretty cool, and I believe this is one of the first concepts which is coming out. Lenovo showed last year a similar concept at CES, but now we are seeing more of evolved design and display, and with more engaging widgets as well as more robust display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And this is something which is really cool, which Lenovo has been conceptualizing, and we'll look to see when it comes to market later this year. So that's it. Thank you.